Children, welcome to you all. Hope you all are fit and fine at home. So children, today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson number 1, bits of paper from our second term book. Okay. So in this lesson we are going to study about poem bits of paper. So children, please open page number 9. This poem is on page number 9, bits of paper. This poem is all about cleanliness. Okay. In this poem we will learn about clean and tidy and cleanliness. So children, hope you open page number 9. So let's start it. Warm up. Look at the two pictures, then answer the question. We can see two pictures have given. Okay. In this picture we have to observe this picture, we have looked this picture and we have to give the answer of given question. So children, what we can see in this picture? We can see in this picture, one picture is tidy, one picture is very clean. Which one? Picture B. Picture B is tidy, neat and clean. And other picture, picture A is not tidy, it is a dirty picture, because in this picture we can see toy on the floor, papers lying on the floor, and flower part, you can see flower part have fallen down, and lamp and scenery of nature is not straight. So children, this picture is dirty. So observe this picture, observe both pictures, you have to give the answer. Okay. So children, question number 1, let's start. Warm up exercise. Which one of the two pictures do you like? Why? In both picture, which one do you like? So of course we like picture B, because every person is like neat and tidy place. Okay, we like tidy place and also room. Okay. And why? Because we like to see always clean things, like picture B. And second, do you like what you see in picture A? Why or why not? So children, do you like what you see in a picture A? Do you like picture A? Of course not. Okay, we don't like picture A because this is a dirty picture. Here everything is not on their places, and in this picture everything on their places. So we don't like picture A. And third question, what would you do to set it right? If we don't like picture A because everything is here and there, not on their places, so what we do to set it right? Yes, of course. First we will arrange this room, we will clean this room like picture B. So we will keep all things on their particular places. Okay children? Now move to next page. Reading. Read this poem about bits of paper lying on the floor. You can sing it like a song. As I told you, this poem is very interesting poem, and we can sing it like a song. Okay. So you try to sing with me. Let's start. Shall we start it? Yes. Bits of paper lying on the floor, make the place untidy, pick them up, pick them up. Isn't it interesting poem? Yes. So you can also sing in this rhythm. Okay children. So we are looking to explanation of this poem. We will take only first line first. We take first 4 line. Bits of paper. So children, what is the meaning of bits? Bits. It means small pieces. It means small pieces. Small pieces for what? Small pieces of paper. As you can see in this picture, here is many small pieces of picture. Okay, as you can see. So bits of paper, that means small pieces of paper. And where is small pieces? Lying on the floor. Lying, that means meaning are here, resting somewhere in a flat position. Resting somewhere. Any things place here and there, not in proper places, that means resting somewhere in a flat position. So bits of paper, that means small pieces of paper resting on the floor. Okay. Make the place untidy. If pieces of paper lying on the floor, so children, what happened? Pieces of paper make the place untidy. Untidy means dirty. Place dirty. So what will we do? Pick them up. Pick means when room is dirty, we will lift all the things, okay, and make place tidy. Make place tidy, neat and clean. Okay. So this is the poem, and come to the exercise. Bits of paper. Meanings, word meanings here. Bits. That means, as I told you, small pieces. Bits, that means small pieces. Untidy. Untidy, that means dirty. Okay. Lying, resting somewhere in a flat position. Exercise. Choose the correct option. Number 1, what is lying on the floor? As you know very well, what is lying on the floor? Of course, answer is bits of paper. Bits of paper lying on the floor. So your answer is bits of paper. Now second, a room with bits of paper on the floor looks, when bits of paper lying on the floor, so children, looks like a dirty. Your room looks like a dirty room. Okay. And B exercise, answer the question. Question number 1. What make the place untidy? What make the place untidy? Yes, bits of paper make the place untidy. Second question is, what should we do when there are bits of paper lying on the floor? What should we do when there are bits of paper lying on the floor? We should pick them up. We should pick them up. Lift them, all the things. Then that make place untidy. So we should pick them up. Okay children, you have to only do 2 questions. Now match the word with their opposite. Make the word their opposite. Opposite means what? Opposite means a word that is completely different to another word, that called opposite. Okay, we already learned in previous video opposite words. So here is only matching for you. Number 1, always. Always, always opposite of never. So match both word, always, never. Second, close, open. And third, fast, opposite of slow. Okay children. Fourth, H-O-T, hot. Hot, opposite of cold. Number 5, first, last. First opposite of last, and last is question. Question opposite of answer. So this matching you have to do in your fair copy. And this lesson is completed. I hope you enjoy this poem. Okay, thank you.